Hello guys, welcome. So in today's video we are going to be looking at this boom and crash scalping strategy, and with this strategy you will be able to catch 20 to 30 candles in the boom and crash index. Okay, so stay tuned, stick around, and make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to give you guys settings for the strategy and how the strategy works. Okay, so before I dive into the settings, I first want you guys to know that this strategy is useful on all the boom and crash index except the boom 300 and crash 300. Okay, so take note of that. We don't use this strategy on boom 300 and crash 300. Okay, so keep that in mind. So let's dive into the settings for the strategy. So what you're going to do is just click on this icon you're seeing at the top. So this is where we are going to be adding all our indicator up. Now for the first indicator, which is going to be the moving average, at the way at the top we click on this F icon, we search for moving average, and this is the parameters. The period is 15, shift is 2, method is linear weighted, apply to linear weight, apply to weighted close. Now for the style, use any color of your choice and then click on save. So that is all we need for the moving average. Now moving on to the next one, which is going to be the stochastic oscillator. And we at the top, we click on this we click on this F icon right here. So you click on this F icon right here, you search for stochastic oscillator, and this is the parameters. Now for the K period is going to be 6, the D period is 36, slowing is 6 as well, price field is close, method is exponential. Now for the style, make sure you set it as a background color. Now for the levels, we need the 15, 85, 10 and the 90 levels. So that is going to be the levels we are going to be using for the strategy. Now click on save once you set everything up, and you are going to have your stochastic oscillator in your chart. Now to the last but not the least indicator, which is going to be the Ichimoku. So how do we add this Ichimoku up? We click on this F icon right here. We search for Ichimoku, and these the parameters. Now the Tekijin is 5, the Kijun is 10, spam B is 52, and we only need the Tekijin and the spam. Okay, so that is the color we need for the strategy. Of course, use any color of your choice and click on save. So that is all the settings we need for the strategy. Now talking about how the strategy works, I'm going to be giving you guys two examples here live in the chart. Okay, so we are going to be using this crash 1000 as our first live example. Okay, so looking at this recent trade right here in crash 1000. Now what can you see right here? Now let's use this current move as an example. Now what can you see right here? Now if you count this candle right here up to this area, up from here all to this area, you can see that it's even close to 10 candles, and the price has not yet spiked. Now how do you now be able to catch this type of move in the boom and crash index? Now that is why you want to listen to this strategy. Firstly, we are looking for where there's a touch of the green line to touch the 15 levels of the stochastic oscillator. We are looking for the green line to touch the 15 level of stochastic oscillator. Once we confirm that, then the next thing we are looking at for is the blue line to also come and touch the 15 levels. Now after these two touch happens, then the next thing we are waiting for is a cross to happens between the green line and the red line, which means that we are looking for the green line to cross above the red line, which happens right here. So if you are looking clearly, you can see it happens right here. After we confirm all this setup on our indicator window 1, that is when we are now going to be looking for a trade on our main chart. Now what are we looking for? We are waiting for a candle to close above the moving average. Once we confirm that the candle close above the moving average, we wait for another 4 candles, which is all this candle right here, making 4 candles. After that 4 candles, we enter straight at the next candle, and we are going to be holding our trade for 20 to 30 candles, and we close our positions. Okay, as simple as that. Looking at this trade right here, you can see it's still running in massive profit. Now let me show you guys another example, and I'm going to do that in boom 1000 index. Okay, so looking at this recent trade in the price. Now looking at this trade, let me zoom so you guys can see. Now for the zoom level, you are using the third zoom level. Okay, so you are using the third zoom level. Now looking at this recent trade right here, this recent move in price. Now what can you see? The first thing you want to see is the green line touch the 12 levels or the 90 levels of the stochastic oscillator. The next thing we are looking at for again is the red line to touch either the 12 levels or the 90 levels. Once we confirm these two things, then the next thing we wait for is a cross that happens between the moving average. Note that we always want to see the cross to happen. When the cross happens, that is when we are not going to be looking for a trade. Now, for a trade right here, this is what we're going to do. Now you're going to zoom out and look for a candle close above the moving average, which is this candle right here. So after that candle close, we wait for another 3 candles, making 4 candles. After we confirm all these 4 candles right here, then the next thing we do is to enter our trade from this candle right here and target 20 to 30 candles from this price move. Okay, that is how we trade using this as a strategy, and I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification and type posting strategy. You guys will be aware. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.